How to receive money on PayPal. Start by logging into your PayPal account using your email and password. Once you're logged in, you'll see the homepage. In order to receive money, you need to share your PayPal email address. Click on Settings in the top left corner of the screen. You'll find your primary email address here, which is the one you'll share with others to receive payments. You can also send a request if you're expecting money from someone. Look for the Send and Request button on the main menu. It's usually located near the top of the page. Click on it. Click on Request. You'll need to enter their email address into the provided field. Once you've entered the sender's email, click Next. You'll then be prompted to enter the amount you're expecting to receive. You can also add a note explaining why you're requesting the payment, like if you've sold something to the sender. After you've entered the necessary details, click on the Request a Payment button. This will send a notification to the sender, letting them know you're requesting money from them. Now, all you have to do is wait for the sender to fulfill the payment request. Once they do, the money will be deposited into your PayPal account. Once you receive the payment, you'll get a notification from PayPal. Be sure to confirm the payment and thank the sender for their payment. And that's how simple it is to receive money on PayPal. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful tips. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and happy PayPaling.